Man, check this out. They got it done in as true as you can get it, man. That is incredible. Howard, you guys are brilliant. You guys are the bomb.
Thank you, sir.
That looks fantastic. So a little bit of, let's get it around right. A little bit of touch-up I'll have to put on the pinstripe right there, but shoot, that's small potatoes. That is great. Fantastic. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. Yeah, man. So we're back over here with my man Jake at Flying Brothers in Lawrenceville, and about to remount it, man. Excellent. Yeah, these guys, they do it all here. Oh, wait. So trying to... Working on a trials bike. So is that one yours?
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Flying Brothers in Lawrenceville. Get this rascal mounted. Get it balanced rather. He's got it mounted. Helps to have the right equipment, don't it? Good deal, man. Well, that was a way better fix than having to buy a new rim for like $1,000 practically.
Yeah.
Way better. Flying Brothers in Lawrenceville. Great shop, great bunch of guys. Whew. Got it back on. Got it remounted, and I think everything's cinched up right. Chain adjusted properly, I think. Feels pretty good. And the chain tension feels fine on it, so... Man, what a project. Back on the road. Little spot right here. I'll actually have that touched up later, I guess, but I'm just ready to ride it again. So that's our dented rim debacle. Part 2 right here. Dented rim repair, probably more appropriately for this particular episode of it. So anyway, get it ready to get it outside and get it back on the road. This is Rob with Road Dirt. Thanks for tuning in. So keep in touch with us. Check us out on the web, roaddirt.tv. Our social media channels, Road Dirt TV on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And we have a podcast. Look us up on Anchor. We should be on Spotify and Apple, all the other ones out there for Road Dirt and Motorcycle Media, Road Dirt Podcast. Anyway, thanks again. We'll see you soon.